Well, hey there! Guess what? It's time for another Tater Tot recipe, part of my Tater Tot series. I'm making Tater Tot Taco Salad. Let's make it. I'm cooking about a pound of ground meat. I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of taco seasoning to that meat. You need to cook up a couple cups of tater tots in your oven, according to directions. The word tater tot is actually a trademark name. Guess who trademarked it? Ore-Ida. But of course, this dish is gonna start with a layer of tots. Put on that taco meat. Next comes some cheese, some olives, some lettuce, a couple tablespoons of taco sauce, and of course we're going to top it off with some sour cream dollops. This recipe is very similar to a recipe that my friend made in his video. His channel name, That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. I'll leave the link to his video in my description. Tater Tot Taco Salad. I'm ready to dig into this bad boy. Let's see here. The tater tot really works in this dish. You must give it a go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Why should you never tell a taco a secret? Because they always spill the beans.